So pretty, right?
Let me show you how to make this beautiful earring. To start putting this beautiful earring together, you're going to need some wire. I'm using artistic wire in 20 gauge, and I cut 2 pieces of these, 1.5 inches. I also need a freshwater pearl. I need opalite heart, and I need a pave crystal. I also am using a rhinestone earring for the finding. And then for tools, I'll need my round nose pliers, my flush cutters, my chain nose pliers. Oh, and I will also need a head pin to go through my pearl. I'm going to start at the bottom, and I've got my head pin, so I'm going to put that right through my pearl. And at the top here, I need to make a loop. So what I'm going to do is use my chain nose pliers. I'm going to pinch it down at the top, and I'm just going to press it down and push it to the back like that. Then I'm going to come in with my flush cutters, and I'm going to measure it with my finger, and this is about 1 centimeter in here. I'm going to cut this, and then I'm going to use my round nose pliers, and I'm going to roll it towards me like that until my ends touch. And so I have my first loop. Okay, let's put this one aside, and then we're going to work on our crystal. So what we need to do with our crystal is we need to make a loop on this side and a loop on this side. So what I'm going to do first is go ahead and use my chain nose pliers. I'm going to come down about 1 centimeter from the top, push it to the back. Using my round nose pliers, I'm going to go ahead and turn the loop towards me. Like that. I'm going to put on my crystal, and now I'm going to make a loop on this side. So I have one loop at the bottom. Now I need a loop on the top, and I'm going to do it the same way using my pliers, my chain nose pliers. I'm going to push it to the back, then I'm going to cut. So I have about 1 centimeter of wire. Using my round nose pliers, rolling it towards me. And if my loop is a little crooked, I can go ahead, come back in with my chain nose pliers, and straighten it out. Okay, now I have these two done. Now we're going to work on the little heart. Using my piece of wire again, I have to make loops on both ends of the heart. Same way, I'm going to use my chain nose pliers, bend it to the back, use my round nose pliers, and roll it towards me until I get a loop. Then I'm going to go ahead and put on my heart and make a loop on this side. So I'm going to go ahead and bring the wire to the back. I'm going to cut. So I have 1 centimeter of wire right in here. Cut. And now I'm going to roll. I'm going to straighten out my loop. Okay, now I'm going to put everything together. I'm going to start at the bottom with my pearl. So I'm going to go ahead and open up that loop that I made by just twisting it open. Then I'm going to hang on my crystal and close it back down. I'm going to open up my heart by twisting it up, hanging on my crystal, and twisting it back down. I'm going to twist open my heart at the top, slip on my earring, and twist it back down. And there you have your beautiful earrings. I hope this video was helpful for you and you will give these earrings a try. They are so beautiful on. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for joining me. See you again next time.